So my Draggy is about 3 years old, and the issue that it's had for about the last 2 years is it will say no sats or low sats. If I leave it plugged into the charger on the cigarette lighter of the car, just plugged in, it'll take about 25 minutes, and then after it charges up a decent amount, then I can hook up the Draggy and not have a low sats message. But if I don't leave it plugged into power all the time, I will get that message. So here is how you fix that problem. First, you'll need a razor blade. We're just going to take this sticker off. I guess my sticker is too old, so I'll just try to get the sticker parts that cover the 2 screw holes and remove that part of the sticker, and we'll leave the rest. Now you'll have 2 screws. For that you'll need a jeweler screwdriver. They are Phillips head, but a small flat head will work. Now that those screws are out, we'll just want to kind of pry it apart. And it should just pop right out now. So there you see the battery. It is a 402050 battery. I got mine off of eBay. With shipping, it was $10.73. It did take about 9 weeks to receive it from when I ordered it. They also have cheaper ones. You can buy a 3-pack for about the same price. So if you got any friends that also have a Draggy, maybe buy a 3-pack and be a little bit cheaper for you. But all we got to do is, there's a little bit of glue right there. Just need to pry that off and then unsolder the connections. And then take this brand new battery. And pull the new leads out. And then we'll solder those leads right down there. Since that's in such a small confined place, I'm gonna pull this board out. There's a screw there, and then a small screw there, right there in the corner. We'll remove those screws and pull that board out so it's easier to solder. Get that glue off of there. So that's not the prettiest solder work I've ever done, but with a cheap soldering iron, that's about the best I can do today. Take the old battery out of here. Looks like the old battery is sort of glued in. Need to pry it out. Still pretty sticky, so it looks like we can just put the new one in there and it should stick down nice and tight. Now we will put this end back in the case. Make sure you pay attention to the hole for the USB charger. Try not to bend the wires too much for the battery. Don't want to break them. Now that that's in, we will put in the two small screws. There, and one right there. Now if those screws are in, we can put the top half of the Draggy back on. Just tuck those wires in so they're out of the way. Now put these two screws back in. you go. Your Draggy is now good as new.